Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, Traders Pro. Let's take a look at market conditions currently. We're seeing a little bit of weakness yesterday in the overall markets. If we look at SPY, we talked about this a little bit the other day, where we've actually turned up to this new uptrend, and the risk in this new uptrend is that we are still in this bear market. So we've seen now just a couple of down days here. Once we've turned this over, we've got a lot of support right here. It certainly could retrace just a little bit and potentially find some support right here. We'll see. Futures are down a little bit. Amazon is getting crushed. Microsoft got crushed yesterday. Meta, formerly Facebook, got crushed yesterday. So tech stocks are just imploding all over the place, and that may be the story of earnings moving forward. There are certainly some pockets, and I'll show you a couple of stocks here. But let's jump over here to the Market Trends tab. We've got direction alerts that hasn't changed, at least as of last night's update. Bullish still, that overall condition, and still deeply oversold and starting to see some bounce. But now we are running up into this upper edge, or this sentiment indicator is approaching this upper range. Sometimes we can get a little reversal or pullback once that happens. Not quite there yet, but we are inside of that range. One other thing that's interesting is on a Fibonacci retracement, we actually are right around that 50% retracement of that former downtrend. So not surprising that we're going to run into some resistance right here, and so the market's certainly got some work to do in these levels. One of the stocks I wanted to point out here is actually Arch Coal. Not that one. It was where was it? There it is. Arch Coal had a really big pop, 14% yesterday, and so it has been churning through one of these patterns. We call this an ABC pattern, where it's just that corrective counter trend pattern, and starts to bottom out like this, where you actually have a higher low and then a real good confirmation bar higher. That was, a little bit, very strong as far as an entry. One of these locations risked right below that location, and a decent setup. This one actually back tests really well. I ran a 2-year back test on it, 141%. 55% win percentage, with the largest drawdown around 30%. So it's got good characteristics. We run back tests within the system to kind of look at the stock's characteristics of trends and what the probability may be to approach that. So Arch may be an interesting one for you to look at today. If you're interested in getting full access to all of the software, I've got a sign up link for you below this video, and we look forward to having you. Have a great day today.